Hey there, everybody. I just wanted to give you all a quick update what's going on with the Jones & Laughlin number 58. It's been a while since we've put together a video on it. Apologize for that, but been working on the 64, the Brookville here recently. Hasn't been much going on with 58 in a while. We've got the chassis ready to go. It's pretty much done. The saddle tank's here at my house in the garage. I've got some work I need to do on it. And the boiler, of course, has been at the boiler shop for a while. Well, the boiler finally made it into the shop last week, and they started working on it. At this point, replaced a bottom half of the front tube sheet, bottom of the smoke box. There was one stay bolt that was bad. There was a few other minor problems that had to be repaired. Most of that's done. Next week they're going to put the new tubes in it, and hopefully by the end of next week we can, or they can do a hydro test. And assuming that the hydro test comes out all right, we'll be about ready to bring the boiler back to Youngstown and put it back on the frame. So that's a pretty big deal. The 64 is just about finished with the work we were doing on it. I've got some minor control linkages to work on, and then we have gauges and some of the electrical to do. Otherwise, it's done. I was running it back and forth a little bit today, and it's going to be a good running engine. So hopefully I'll put together another video here once we have the boiler and we're bringing it back, and can talk a little bit more about the final amount of work that needs to be done to it. But as it stands now, the museum will be open on Sundays between Memorial Day and Labor Day. We're going to operate from noon to 5, and we will have the railroad running. Initially, the Brookville will be operational, and when the steam locomotive is ready to go, we'll be running it on Sundays as well. So, you know, if you're in the area, make plans to come out on a Sunday and take a ride with us and see all the stuff we have going on. I'll be talking with you pretty soon.